Very good. Okay. Hello. Hello, the students. Okay, so what is the name?
My name is Linh Nhi.
Okay, speak louder. Speak louder. What is the name?
My name is Linh Nhi.
Okay, Linh Nhi. So how old are you?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
7 days.
7 years old. 7 years old. Okay, so how are you today? Happy. Okay. Do you easily go to park? Go to the park with your family? Okay, so what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Cái môn học con yêu thích nhất là gì nhỉ? What is your subject? You like math or English or Vietnamese or music? Cái môn học con yêu thích nhất là gì? Oh my goodness.
Toán.
Toán thì con sẽ trả lời là math.
Math.
Ok, con sẽ trả lời là I like math. Ok, math, great. So, do you how many people in your family?
3.
3 people. Is mom, dad, and
Me.
Linh Nhi. Okay, so what is the name of the lesson today? What is the name of the lesson today? What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Fatsman. Okay, Fatsman. And now you will look at my screen and speak louder to taste. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Now, Linh Nhi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Speak louder. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. And now you go look at my screen to speak louder the text. All right. Okay, let's start Linh Nhi. Con đọc bài lên nha.
For 1 month, he is only grass.
Of course.
Of course, the grass.
The characteristics.
The cat is
Terrible.
terrible.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately,
After 1 month.
after 1 month, he is still very fat.
Okay, he's still very fat.
He don't lose any weight. Not 1 pound. The man is
Frustrated.
Frustrated.
He decides to exercise every day.
Every day he was
12 miles.
Every day he is very dense. In fact, he is
exhausted.
He is important.
Mm-hmm. But after 1 month.
But after 1 month,
Mm-hmm.
the man is still very fat. Oh no.
Okay.
He is
extremely frustrated.
Extremely frustrated. He
decides to give up.
He goes to
a restaurant.
He goes to a restaurant.
Okay, thank you, Linh Nhi. That's very good. And now you will answer all my question. Okay. Now, are you ready? Yes. Mm-hmm. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, Linh Nhi, are you ready? Linh Nhi, are you? Linh Nhi? Okay, Linh Nhi, are you ready? Yes. Okay, Linh Nhi, and now you will answer all my questions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, very good. Of course, the critics is terrible. For 1 month, he's still very fat. Ooh, is the critics delicious? Delicious. No. Okay, how does the critics? The critics is the critics is terrible. Okay, the critics is terrible. For 1 month, he is still very fat. Ooh. For 1 month, is he still very handsome?
No.
No. For 1 month, is he still very fat? Is he still very fat? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, thì con sẽ trả lời là yes. Alright. Who is still very fat?
Tony.
Yes, Tony is still very fat. Alright. So he doesn't lose any weight, not 1 pound. Ooh. Who doesn't lose any weight? Who doesn't lose any weight? Tony. Yeah, okay. The man is frustrated. Is frustrated. Ooh. Is the man very happy?
No.
No. Is the man very excited? Is the man very excited?
Yes.
No. No. Is the man very angry? Angry. Yes, the man is angry. Okay. So how is the man? How is the man?